Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Motor Builder, and we're going on a train through France with IXO. Box number 3, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And this is a voyage of the omnibus, or the wagons that they are used in trains, as you can see right there, and a very futuristic locomotive. As I said, we are doing some wheels first in stage number 9 and number 10, as you can see right there. All very well, we know how to do it, and as you can see right there. And then we're going to the front in number 11 and number 12. And at the end, this is what we have, plus full wheels on the chassis. Now let's get straight into this beautiful build and start with those wheels. And as I said, I will not be talking, but I'll be showing. Alright, as you can see, all the wheels are on more or less in the same position, and on the other side it's the same thing. That is what we have. So we're gonna quick look through. 10 is done as well. This is going to be a quick build, guys. 11. So we've got this tweezer. And these are not usually very good tweezers, but we get them for free, and I'm going to put them there because my tweezers are much better. My own tweezers are much better. So we've got these little things. We're going to put them on right there on both sides, and that is what we should have. And that's all we do. So let's get the next stage out. Okay, almost threw away, put away APs wrongly. There we go. We have those, plastic and metal, as you can hear that. We're putting them together like so, and putting a, I think we put an AM in that. Yep. There we go. That is what we have. Then we're going to get that one out, put that on like so. There's an L there, and this is how we put it in, like so. And we put, and those must be, oh, they're AMs as well. Okay. No, see, I thought they were. These are APs because it's plastic into plastic. And then we put that one on to the right there, and careful, don't put them on that, because that's where the pins are, the golden or copper pins I should say. So we put that like so. We turn it around and we've got holes on this side, and that's where we put these in, and we push that in as well as far as possible, and that is what we should have. And the last thing we put in, and the last thing we did is that one. Well guys, that is that. This is right in front of me. You see what is left over of this beautiful build. But that is that. This we put on more wheels on this, and we've made that in this box 3 and stages 9 to 12 that we just did. Thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more builds on this one, or maybe on one of those in the background. We've got the Senna Lotus build in as well, so you might see that. Thank you very much. Bye bye.